he says, can I make dua in prostration? Now, the quick answer would be yes. Can I make dua? Yes. The extended version of the answer would be the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the closest a servant of Allah is to Allah when he is in prostration. Therefore, make as much dua as you can. Full stop, unquote. This is the hadith of the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam. So, when someone comes to you and says, oh Shaykh, our school of thought, our Maulana, our scholars, our Imams, say that you cannot make dua in sujud of worldly matters. Say that you cannot make dua in sujud in fard prayer. Say that you cannot make dua in sujud in your own language. Tell them with all due respect, this is not true. You can make dua for things in the hereafter or things for worldly matters. Oh Allah, fix my car. Oh Allah, grant me a better car, a newer model. No problem. If you don't ask Allah, who will you ask? Allah has so many servants and slaves and creatures that worship Him. But we have only one Lord, one God that we can ask of Him. Therefore, you can ask anything you want from Allah Azza wa Jal, providing it is not evil. You don't ask Allah to facilitate sin for you. Oh Allah, I'm dating this girl, make it happen. No, this is haram. And you don't ask Allah for transgression, for evil deeds, killing people, etc., which is al-baghi wal-'udwan. This is not permissible. Okay, what about fard and sunnah? They're the same. Anyone who says that we cannot make dua in fard sujud, he has to provide us with the evidence, because it was the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam who said, make as much dua as you can in sujud, because you are closest to Allah Azza wa Jal. So we cannot come and say, oh no, only in sunnah. Thirdly, you can make it in your own native language, with a condition that you are unable to ask Allah in Arabic. So, I want Allah to pay off my debt. In Arabic it is, Allahumma qadi anni dayni. Do I know how to say this? Yes, say it in Arabic. Don't say it in your language. But if I don't know Arabic and I don't know how to ask this particular thing in Arabic, say it in your native language, and there is no problem in that.